Ngayong papalapit ng Pasko, ang bibingka ay isa sa pinakahinahanap ng tao. At kung naghahanap ka ng negosyo na mababa ang puhunan pero mataas ang tubo, this video is for you. Today, we're breaking down the real cost, real profit, and real potential ng Bibingka Business. Para sa isang batch na 11 piraso ng bibingka, ito ang total cost ng ingredients at mga kakailanganin sa pagluto. Kasama dito ang bigas, baking powder, salt, sugar, eggs, cheese, salted egg, margarine, grated coconut, banana leaves, at uling. Lahat-lahat. Total cost mo? Only 348 pesos and 40 centavos. Yes, less than 350 pesos lang para sa 11 pieces na bibingka. Assuming now we're selling the 6 pieces regular bibingka at 60 pesos and 5 pieces special bibingka at 75 pesos, ang 6 pieces na regular times 60 pesos equals 360 pesos. Then, 5 pieces na special times 75 pesos equals 375 pesos. So, ang total sales mo ay 735 pesos for every 1 kilo of rice na ginawang bibingka. At dahil ang total cost mo ay 348 pesos and 40 centavos, the net income is 386 pesos and 60 centavos. That's more than 100% return! If you can sell 3 batches or 33 pieces of bibingka per day, that's 1,159 pesos and 80 centavos per day. And if consistent kang makabenta for 30 days, you could earn 34,794 pesos this month. Malaking pera na ito, pang Christmas shopping, pang savings, or panimula sa bago mong negosyo. Gusto mo ba ng mas malaki pang kita? Try these upgrades! Sell special variants, chocolate, makapuno, or extra cheese toppings. Offer bundle packs at Bilao trays. Place your stall near churches during Simbang Gabi. Pair with hot choco, coffee, or salabat for extra 10 to 15 pesos each. Mag-open ng reservation for special events at mag-accept ng online orders. Simple lang ang mga ito, pero malaki din ang pwedeng idagdag sa income. So, kung naghahanap ka ng Christmas business na siguradong mabenta at mataas ang kita, Bibingka Business is a winning choice. Start small, sell consistently, and enjoy your Christmas profits. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng ating Bibingka Business Breakdown. Sana ay nakatulong ito para makita mo kung gaano kaganda ang potential ng negosyong ito, lalo na ngayong Christmas season. Kung gusto mo pa ng ganitong business breakdowns, costing videos, at small business ideas, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa susunod nating money-making content. Once again, thank you for watching. Good luck sa iyong Christmas business, and see you on the next video.